once again.
Hello, it's Jimmy here from O'Reilly's, and we're going to do a service on a Nissan here using an extraction pump, and we'll show you that. So here we have our extraction pump here. It's a Sealy TP69P model number, and we've got our oil and filter there. We're just going to use this filter to change the oil, and just show you how it's done, and you can give your opinions on using one of these compared to a normal oil change. So we're just leaving the car warm up because once the engine's warm, the oil will flow a lot easier. It will come out a lot quicker, and it will also just pull it out a lot easier. So you can see in this car here, the engine light's on, and the service due now is here as well. And here's some of the details on this car. We just goes to show you never know where a car is actually from or what's fitted. It's a Japanese Nissan that's made in Russia with a French Renault diesel engine. First we're just going to do a diagnostic scan and see what these codes are in the engine. Just got the engine management light on. And here's the codes that we have for that. It's related to injectors, cylinder 1 and cylinder 3. But that's something that we're going to look at a later time. Just here on the engine you've got the oil cap, and on this particular engine is also acts as the dipstick, so we'll pull that out. We'll get one of our suction tubes out from here, and we'll insert it in the hole. Just make sure it's in there good and proper. That's what she said. Now we'll connect up these two holes here. Just join them together. That's it. Once the pipe's in the hole, you're then gonna continue to pump, and you're just gonna keep pumping until the job's done. And you'll know it's done right when you're pumping and you see the oil squirting out. You know you're doing a good job. And on this here you've got each little line there, 1, 2, and I don't know if you can see there, but we're just on about 2.5 lines there, which is 2.5 litres. And you'll hear a lot of suction, and you'll see the pipe bouncing there as it's sucking the last bit out. And we've got these oil cups here in all different sizes, but unfortunately none of them fit. So we're going to use this little tool here. This is a Draper version. And there you can see we're just twisting her off. Now we've got it loose, we just put some paper towel there, so we might get a little bit of spillage. And it's always handy to keep your oil catch pan underneath the car as well. Take that off. We didn't get a lot of spillage, just a little bit there on the towel. And what you can do is get your new filter and just rub it on the top. Around the top of the old one there, just to get some of the oil on there. So you've got the oil on the top there, and just rub it in. Just stops you damaging the new seal. Now we've got the new filter just on. We'll just give it a little bit of a tighten up by hand, and that's plenty. No need to use any tools or anything like that, or over tighten it. As long as this tight by hand, it's perfect. And it's hard to explain how tight that should be, but anyone who works on cars know exactly when it's tight enough. Or saying that, I think one of the most things that is uncommonly done wrong is people over tighten the oil filters. You don't need to tighten them up with spanners or anything like that. Just a little nip of hand tight, it's plenty enough. We'll get our oil funnel, put it on there, get a clean rag and just go around it in a circle, make sure there's no dust on there. And we can go ahead and top up the oil. We've taken out 4.5 litres, so we'll put that back in and then check the dipstick or top up if necessary. And just to stop that splashing, we'll switch the oil drum upside down and it will pour a lot better. We don't get all that splashing around. Once we've topped it up, we're going to start the car for a couple of minutes. Still let the little bit of oil circulate through the filter. Then we'll check the dipstick. Now we can reset the service by switching on the ignition, pressing the right button here. Go to settings. Pressing, press again. Go down to maintenance. Go to service, then we're going to press and hold. Reset. You can see we've already reset this, but we're just going to show you. So I'm going to press it again, down, twist it right to go down, press it again, and that's done. And we'll press it again to exit. Now the service light's gone, engine management light is gone because we've cleared the codes on our scan tool. We've noticed there's a lot of oil. Sorry, I don't know if you can see there, the sun's a little bit gleaming, but there's a lot of oil all around here and underneath this pipe, so he's probably got a leak there. So that's the oil checked and everything's all good, so we're all finished. That's the end of this one.